Hello guys, today I will show you how to look for other people on Clubhouse and how to find other people's rooms on Clubhouse. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, at the bottom of the screen you have this magnifying glass here. You press it. Then, as you can see, you have these houses here, but we are not going for them, but you have this search bar. You press it and then write, for example, I don't know, music. Then you search and you wait. As you can see, you have these rooms, there are a lot of them. You press this one. As you can hear, there is music. People are speaking and everything. Okay, we are gonna leave. And we are gonna look for someone, I don't know, maybe someone named Mark. Maybe we'll find someone. Oh, people. As you can see, we have found a lot of Marks. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.